kills small channels. Let me explain why. This community often pats itself on the back for being such a supportive and encouraging community. And that is why we enjoy the craft. And in many ways, that support is true. But there's something that needs to be said, and almost nobody is saying it. So I will have the courage today to say it. I'm still a small channel. I do not have much to lose by angering people. And if this helps other creators too, then feel free to share this video so they do not have to be the one to say it out loud. I will say it. I have recently had a lot of people coming over from other craft channels that I've been supporting. They come back to my channel, subscribe, leave very kind comments, and doing what looks like support. And I do understand the intention, I truly do. But I need to be very clear. On YouTube, that kind of quick support can do real damage. When a new video is uploaded, YouTube uses that new video first to test whether it should be shown to more people. YouTube looks at things like how long people stay, how much of the video they watch, whether viewers seem genuinely interested in whatever is in the video, and is this video worth showing to a wider audience out there? That is called watch time and retention. And those things matter enormously. So what happens is this. If people click into a brand new video, stay for a minute or two, leave a quick comment, and then exit, YouTube reads that as this video is not holding attention, this video is not interesting enough, people are not staying, people are not engaged, and once that signal starts building, YouTube simply stops recommending this video. I have seen this happen directly on my own channel. This, what I'm showing you, is from my last video. I posted it on April 11th. Within a few hours, when my video was first posted, it had an average watch time of over 15 minutes within the first hour. That long stretches of flat is where people are actually watching the video. Right? Then, after a quick wave of support visits from other channels I engaged with, that dropped to around 4 minutes average view time. Have a look at that picture. On the left you can see there 15 minutes 20 seconds was the average view time. And then there was a whole bunch of visits that stayed for a minute and 5 seconds. I've had some views for longer since. So after a quick wave of support visits from other small channels I engaged with, that average dropped to around 4 minutes view time. Like I said there, it has since picked up to 5 minutes average again, after some people watch 23 minutes on average and push the average watch time up again a bit. These quick support visits even took the channel average down. It also made this video perform at half the usual watch time average of 10 minutes per video on this channel. That signals to YouTube that this is a very average performing video and should not be recommended to a wider audience. That is not a small difference between 4 minutes and 15 minutes. That is the difference between a video growing and a video being buried. So I'm going to say this as clearly as I can, and excuse me for being emotional. Please do not support this channel by clicking in briefly, commenting, and then leaving. I know it feels supportive to you. You think you are doing a good thing. It's not. It actively harms the performance of new videos. And that is exactly the problem. Because people think they are helping. They are not helping. They are damaging the very video they are trying to support. If you genuinely want to support this channel, then here is what actually helps. Watch a bit longer when you can and when you have the time. Or, if you do not have time, go to an older video, older than 6 months, and comment there instead. Older videos are already past that critical testing phase. So your interaction there does not damage the performance of a new upload in the same way. If you want to say that you have subscribed, or if you want to say hello, if you want to show support, do it on an older video. Please do not do that on a brand new upload if you are only going to stay for a minute or two. I would honestly rather have fewer viewers who are genuinely interested in what I do than a lot of rushed clicks that tell YouTube the content is not worth showing. This channel is being built seriously. I'm trying to grow it properly, with quality, with strong videos, and with long-term reach. So I need the support to match that. Support is not just showing up. It is showing up in a way that actually helps. And if you know other small creators who are dealing with the same thing, feel free to share this video with them too. That way, more people can understand what actually helps a channel grow and what only looks like support while doing the exact opposite, doing active harm. Thank you to everyone who supports this channel in a real way that truly helps. I really do appreciate the genuine supporters. Thank you. I'm Lorraine from portalhouse.co.